Madam, they drive this kind of speed inside this compound. One day I saw I could just lose my leg for nothing. Then you just kill me here for nothing. For how much? How much? With this work now, how much?
How's it going?
It's going well. To burn calories is not easy.
Have you forgot to go pay no again?
I know, right?
Well, you're feeling it, right?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. That's good.
Okay. I have to go now.
Madam, you forgot your phone.
Oh my god. Thank you. I'm not madam. My name is Tina.
So
nice to meet you. Bye.
Thank you. Okay, bye.
He's handsome, cute, young, and most importantly, he's honest. I'm sure he'll be loyal too. Okay.
I like you.
Thank you.
I want you to come live with me.
I don't understand.
I want you to come and live in my house. I have a very big house, like very big, that will contain you and I. Since your friend that you're sporting with keeps you outside when he has female visitor.
Funniest thing is that recently asked me to go look for accommodation. If not, he's going to throw me out of his house one of these days. But the funny thing is that I tried looking for a house, but the money all these agents are calling is, well, no, it's nothing to write home about.
You see? Like I say, vision. So, tomorrow when you're coming to the gym, pack your things so we can go. Okay. What'd you say?
Real?
For real?
As if I have a choice.
No, you don't.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
No, stop the mama thing. My name is Tina. Look at me. You're not even looking at me.
Okay.
I don't bite.
I'm sorry, ma'am. It's okay, ma'am. Sorry.
You're naughty. It's Tina.
Okay.
David, I did all these things for you. I take care of you. You drive my cars, eat my food. I spend money on you. You did this to me. With my housemaid. A girl from the gutters.
I'm sorry,
Okay, so David, you will go back to the street where you belong. Because you don't belong here. No, just go pack your things and leave.
Please.
You don't even have anything to pack. Leave my house. Esther, leave my house. You guys should just leave. It wasn't me. It was me who passed me. It was me, madam. When you carry your girl and leave my house, leave. Jamie, leave my house. Leave my house. You guys should leave my house. Jamie, leave. I'm done.
I'm sorry. Leave. She said she
What is happening? Why are you so excited?
I am excited. I'll be going to the city to see my daughter. I want to go and stay with her, warm her house, and make sure she is fine. I want to leave this environment, change the environment, and enjoy myself.
When did she call you?
A few minutes before you came in, we just finished talking.
When did you intend to go?
Okay. She said she will send money to me. Once she sends money, I'll go to the city.
But do you know one funny thing? She said that I'm going to fly. I'll enter plane. I said no, I will not enter plane. I'll go by road. Plane will down okay, come, but by road, motor will go down there, God forbid. You will never change. The only opportunity you have to enter plane in your whole life, you declined. I rather go for if we go for them, Ngamu Mabi. If anything happens there, I'm telling you something, you're saying something else. I can never be you and you can never be me. I'll go by road and by road I will go. I enjoy it. You see me, I see you. I'm not from there. Why? Did you wash your hand? You just come in, you've not washed your hand, you want to eat something. Don't you know you're supposed to wash your hand? Open your hand, I don't want your hand to touch me. Don't you know about COVID? You wash your hand very well before eating anything. Why didn't you go out with your face mask or jaw mask or nose mask? You have to be doing that too. COVID is real. I'll leave you. I'll go to the city and enjoy myself.
Madam, now the place be this.
You mean the address I showed you in my phone? That here is the place?
Yes, madam. You can call your daughter to confirm if you are in the right place.
You're right. Hello? Nem, how are you? We are outside the gate. Yes, outside the gate.
You are welcome to my house, my mama. Mama, you're welcome.
Nem.
Yes, Mama.
You mean this is your home? And you live here alone?
Of course, Mama. I live here alone.
Jesus Christ. This is paradise on earth.
Let's say that again.
My daughter Abuja favored you very well. Very, very well. Anthony does not want to come and join you. In fact, he is missing.
Mama, please just forget about him. Forget him. This is what he wants him to forfeit. All in the name of marry him.
Mba, possible. Mba, no.
Mama, let's forget about that matter. I got that. But you have to go inside, freshen up, and then come eat your meal.
You prepared something for me.
It's now.
You're prepared. You've really not forgotten the kitchen skills I taught you when you were growing up. I know you will do it.
Number one cook.
No, my problem.
Then was your problem.
Hey!
Ha! Oh, let's go. I understand.
Awesome.
I understand.
It's a mother puri melumo. It's a mother puri melumo. Chai.
We move. Please eat.
My dear, this food is well prepared. Nice. Hi.
Mama, it's called a real meal.
a royal meal.
Yeah, of course. That's cucumber. Because
If I could get back even in it. Hey! My daughter.
Mama.
This is my first time of enjoying royal treat all my life.
I know.
All your father gave me was suffering and smiling. The same thing Tony wants to do with you. Enjoy yourself. I'm fully in support of you. Because let me use my hand.
No, no, just try it. Let me eat, eh?
You will not have security securing you. Hey! Your father needs to come here and understand what I'm saying.
Mama, stop talking so I don't get choked. Just eat it. Oh? It's my money.
Let me use my hand. You see why I want to use my hand?
Madam, I don't know, should I drop you at your residence?
Oh no, I don't want my husband to know that I'm around. I want it to be a surprise to him. And today is Saturday and it's his birthday. So I want you to take me to a 5-star hotel. Let me check in. Then much later in the day you can take me to where he's hanging out.
Okay, ma'am.
I hope you've been receiving your salary at the 20.
Yes, madam.
Very well then, you keep driving.
Alright, thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. And one more thing, I hope you've been eating well.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Thanks for your concern.
You're welcome.
Lorita, leave that thing. Men can't be trusted. They can easily abandon the older woman without minding anything.
Seriously, what Cubana Dollars is doing is very unfair. I don't like it. Men can never be trusted. And I can't wait to deal with him. Ladies, relax. No, calm down. I just remember that next week is Cubana Dollars' birthday. So I'm planning to storm that place in grand style. You know now. Let me see the woman that will stand the ground and stand up. Look at the chick for me. That's my oil way. I trust you. Agwine.
That means you have to go ahead of Stella and occupy that seat of honor. You know? Because the Cubana Dollars I know won't ask you to stand up from that seat. He is a perfect gentleman.
That's my man.
We know.
Well, enough of this talk and thinking. We need to go to the restaurant.
That reminds me, what about your cook, David, your Prince Charming?
My sister. That one, a long story. Let's go.
Okay. So we're going to discuss that over there.
Sure.
The problem we have with the people that push this condition and push us in this condition is the fact that even the ones that want to be like us, you don't understand. This is exactly the same reason I will continue to condemn every director in all arms of government. No! You cannot claim to be a producer, you're producing a particular product and you are still importing. What kind of a producer is that?
Listen, let me put this out. In this country, nobody wants to be together. Everybody is in competition.
Everybody is desperate to beat the other person.
That's true.
You see, onye kulota mutu umia sobo bese ga, but it's a syndrome.
But I don't understand.
Yes, people now don't value hard work. They don't value good nature. They don't value morals. Just grab it. That is the point.
You know the most painful part of it? The rich keep going higher, while the poor keep going poorer. It's not a question of who gets poorer or who gets richer. The balancing here is, brother, if you do not struggle to make money, how do you intend to enjoy money? No, it's not a question of bamboo, the walk, monkey, the chop, getting called bamboo. You don't do that. And then me, what do you expect?
Big Daddy. With barrel. Yes.
And the mix for
all over the achi, they know me.
How did I go?
And everybody, they were calling my Our Lady Sota. Yes. People are
one day I had to sell Kapu for complete 5 years. I'm not taking it. Okay, shall we come with the bunch. How did you make your money? I was the first people, persons or whatever, that worked in the mortuary. Baby, I will make will you sleep? Will you sleep? That's how I make my money. I'm rich.
Yes, gentlemen and ladies, today is a day we are here to celebrate a man who celebrates others. A man who distinguished himself among his equals.
That's right.
A man who swore with all he had that he will not be allowed to see anybody suffer. A man who from grass goes to grace. Not by enemies, but by the special grace of God and hard work. A man who have said everything I have will be for the people. One of the greatest philanthropies of our time.
Oh my God.
Happy birthday. Making machine. Happy birthday. Today is his birthday. Let us celebrate and drink and let's go outside and meet the people outside and enjoy the music.
No, we're not going anywhere. They cannot.
Let them wait.
Let them wait.
1 minute. Let them wait. And the party.
So you are the one. You are the one that has been ripping right into us. Right?
Don't do that, man.
You're the one.
Sorry.
Don't do that.
I don't. You don't like what?
Please calm down.
Don't tell me to calm down. Don't tell me. Where were you girls when I was suffering with that man? Where were you sluts?
Madam, listen, you have to calm down now, please.
No, I won't calm down. Don't tell me to calm down. You left me in London with my kids. Each time I call you on the phone, you keep telling me over the phone that you come for a reference and I've not seen you. You don't care about how I feel and how the children feel too. At the end of the day, they end up calling you uncle.
Look, honey, it's not what you think.
It's not what I think.
These are our business assets.
Business assets.
We're having a meeting. We're having a conclusion on a particular deal that we just.
Oh, particular deal.
Yes.
Particular deal. If one word from you again, I said one word from you, and I will unleash my venom.
Don't say this lady.
Idiot. Nonsense. Look at them. Coming now. You old rotten old fools are the ones spoiling my husband.
I am not a king.
Oh yeah, you old rotten fools are the ones spoiling my husband. Trying to destroy my own.
Madam. What?
Sorry about what? Sorry about
Can we talk about this at home for God's sake?
We'll say to us.
Better.
We shall say to us. Look at you.
Madam.
You rotten men are the one spoiling my husband. You made him stay away from his home, from his lovely family.
Sweetie, I am not.
I detest all of you. We shall see at home.
Better. Let us meet at home. What kind of nonsense is this?
You fools! Rubbish!
Are you for real?
She's laughing.
Happy birthday